If you're over 60, this one video may completely change the way you think about protein, muscle strength, and the foods you should be eating every day. Because today, as a doctor who has spent years studying senior muscle health, I'm revealing something that may surprise you. A simple, cheap, everyday food that can build muscle faster than eggs, digest easier than meat, and help reverse weak legs, poor stamina, and age-related muscle loss even if you're 60, 65, 70, or older. Most people assume that eggs are the gold standard of protein. But what if I told you that there is another food, one that costs far less, is available everywhere, and is actually absorbed better by aging muscles? A food that seniors often ignore, even though clinical research shows it can repair muscle loss twice as fast as traditional protein sources. And no, it's not protein powder, not chicken breast, not yogurt, and definitely not supplements. What I'm talking about is a natural source of complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the amino acid responsible for turning on your body's muscle-building switch. And here's the most shocking part. For seniors, this food actually delivers amino acids more effectively than eggs. After the age of 60, the body becomes less efficient at absorbing protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. So even if you're eating well, your muscles may not be getting the nutrition they need. That's why so many seniors tell me the same thing. Doctor, I eat 3 meals a day, but I still feel weak. I walk daily, but my legs feel thinner. I'm losing strength even though nothing has changed. It's not your fault. Your body is simply not absorbing protein the way it used to. But the good news is, this one cheap food bypasses this problem completely. It digests easily, supports steady amino acid release for hours, improves balance, increases leg strength, and restores muscle function faster than most foods people normally rely on. And the best part? Most seniors already have it in their kitchen, or can buy it for less than the price of a single egg. Stay with me because over the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly what this food is, how much to eat, the best time to eat it, and how you can start rebuilding strength and energy in as little as the next 10 to 14 days. After the age of 60, something surprising happens inside the body. Muscle loss begins to accelerate even if your lifestyle hasn't changed. Many seniors suddenly notice that their legs feel weaker, their balance is not the same, or simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing from a chair feel harder than before. This isn't just aging, it's a scientifically recognized condition called sarcopenia, and it affects almost every person past midlife in one way or another. One of the main reasons is something known as anabolic resistance. When you were younger, your muscles responded quickly to protein. Even a small amount of food could trigger muscle repair. But after 60, your body stops absorbing protein efficiently. You might eat a high-protein meal, but your muscles only receive a fraction of it. This is why many seniors say, "I'm eating fine, but I still feel weak." The issue isn't the food, it's the reduced ability of aging muscles to use that food. Another hidden reason is a natural decline in stomach acid. Protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, and lentils require strong stomach acid to break down properly. But as stomach acid weakens with age, digestion slows, and protein isn't fully broken down into amino acids. If the amino acids don't reach your muscles, strength continues to decline no matter how well you're eating. A third major cause is reduced physical activity, not in terms of walking because most seniors walk daily, but in terms of muscle-stimulating movements. Walking is excellent for the heart but does very little to build or maintain muscle. Without resistance-based movements, the muscles in your legs, hips, and core become smaller and weaker year after year. These 3 factors, poor protein absorption, weaker digestion, and lack of muscle-stimulating movement, create a cycle where strength slowly disappears. But the encouraging part is that this can be reversed. With the right food and a few small habits, seniors can rebuild muscle at any age, even well into their 70s and 80s. The real magic of chickpeas lies in how they repair aging muscles from the inside out. When a senior eats chickpeas, the body breaks them down at a gentle and steady pace, allowing the amino acids to flow into the bloodstream over several hours. This slow-release process is exactly what older muscles need. Instead of receiving a sudden spike of protein that disappears quickly, the muscles get a continuous supply of building blocks, which supports more effective repair throughout the day. One of the first things chickpeas do is improve amino acid availability. Because of anabolic resistance, seniors don't respond well to fast-digesting proteins. Chickpeas solve this problem by providing a long-lasting release of leucine, the amino acid responsible for activating muscle-building signals in the body. This consistent leucine flow helps older muscles stay in repair mode for longer, giving them more time to rebuild and grow stronger. Chickpeas also contain prebiotic fiber, which helps nourish the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthier gut means better digestion and absorption of essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron, nutrients that directly support muscle contraction, energy production, and oxygen delivery. Many seniors unknowingly suffer from poor nutrient absorption, even when they eat healthy foods. Chickpeas help fix that by strengthening the gut environment, making it easier for the body to use the nutrients it receives. Another important way chickpeas support senior muscles is by reducing inflammation. As people age, inflammation naturally rises, slowing down muscle recovery and increasing stiffness and pain. Chickpeas are rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help calm the body and support smoother movement. Seniors who incorporate chickpeas regularly often report less joint discomfort, fewer heavy legs, and improved mobility. Chickpeas also help regulate blood sugar levels, providing stable energy instead of sudden highs and lows. Steady energy means seniors can stay active longer and perform daily tasks without tiring easily. This stability is especially important for leg strength, walking endurance, and overall stamina. Finally, chickpeas increase blood flow by supporting nitric oxide production. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach the muscles, allowing for faster recovery and stronger performance. This is why many seniors notice that their legs feel warmer, more stable, and more energized when they start eating chickpeas consistently. When it comes to rebuilding muscle after 60, the correct amount of chickpeas matters just as much as the food itself. Seniors don't need a large bowl or complicated recipes. In fact, the ideal daily amount is surprisingly small. Just half a cup of cooked chickpeas is enough to activate muscle repair, support daily energy, and provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. This small serving delivers high-quality protein, steady leucine for muscle growth, and a powerful dose of fiber and minerals that aging muscles depend on. For seniors who may not want to eat chickpeas every single day, one full cup every other day works just as well and still provides the same level of muscle-building benefits. Consistency is what matters most. Eating chickpeas 5 days a week is the minimum goal, while having them daily gives the best and fastest results. This amount is easy to digest, gentle on the stomach, and ideal for those who may struggle with heavy or oily foods. Half a cup is enough to support stronger legs, better balance, and improved stamina without causing bloating or discomfort. With this simple daily serving, seniors can begin reversing age-related muscle loss in a safe, natural, and effective way. Timing can make a big difference in how effectively chickpeas rebuild muscles. The best time for seniors to eat chickpeas is during late morning or lunchtime. At this time, digestion is stronger, muscles are more responsive to protein, and the steady release of amino acids can fuel your body for the rest of the day. Eating chickpeas at this time ensures that your muscles absorb nutrients efficiently, giving you more energy and helping strengthen your legs and arms. It's important to avoid eating large portions of chickpeas late at night. Because they digest slowly and contain fiber, eating them too late can create heaviness or discomfort and may disturb sleep. Instead, focus on including them earlier in the day when your body can make the most use of their nutrients. For an extra boost, seniors can eat chickpeas about 30 to 45 minutes before mild exercise, such as walking, light stretching, or chair exercises. This gives your muscles immediate access to the amino acids and energy they need for better performance, faster recovery, and improved strength. By combining the right timing with the proper amount, chickpeas can work their full muscle-building potential. There are several ways seniors can include chickpeas in their diet to maximize muscle-building benefits, and all of them are simple, affordable, and easy to digest. The first and most straightforward method is soaking and boiling them. By soaking chickpeas overnight and boiling them for 20 to 25 minutes, You create a soft, easy-to-digest food that your muscles can absorb efficiently. You can enjoy them with a pinch of black salt, lemon, and a little pepper to make a flavorful, senior-friendly snack or meal. This method is ideal because it preserves all the nutrients while making digestion gentle for aging stomachs. Another excellent way is using chickpea flour, or bisan, to make rotis. This is perfect for seniors who have difficulty chewing or prefer a softer meal. Simply mix chickpea flour with water to form a thin dough, then cook lightly on a pan with minimal oil. Bisan rotis provide the same slow-release protein and amino acids as whole chickpeas, while being easy to eat and digest. They can be included in breakfast, lunch, or dinner without adding extra heaviness. A third option is making hummus, a creamy and versatile chickpea spread. Hummus is particularly helpful for seniors with dental issues or those who want a soft, ready-to-eat source of protein. It can be spread on bread, paired with vegetables, or even eaten with a spoon. Hummus also absorbs well, providing a steady flow of amino acids and minerals that your muscles need for repair and growth. Combining these three methods throughout the week can keep meals varied, enjoyable, and highly effective. Eating boiled chickpeas one day, a bisan roti the next, and hummus another day ensures that your muscles continually receive high-quality protein without digestive stress. By choosing simple, natural, and gentle preparation methods, seniors can make chickpeas a consistent part of their diet, rebuild strength faster, and regain energy, mobility, and confidence in just a few weeks. Chickpeas alone are powerful, but when combined with the right foods, their muscle-building effects increase dramatically. One simple combination is chickpeas with lemon. Lemon improves the absorption of iron from chickpeas, which helps deliver oxygen to muscles and supports better energy and strength. This is especially important for seniors whose iron absorption naturally declines with age. Another excellent pairing is chickpeas with spinach. Spinach adds magnesium, vitamin C, and nitrates, all of which improve blood flow to the muscles. Better circulation means your legs and arms receive more nutrients, which directly supports muscle repair and endurance. Seniors often notice that even small additions like this make daily activities feel easier and less tiring. Olive oil is another ideal companion. A little olive oil added to chickpeas reduces inflammation and helps your body transport nutrients more effectively. Chronic inflammation can slow muscle recovery, so this simple addition enhances the benefits of chickpeas while protecting joints and improving flexibility. Pairing chickpeas with yogurt or curd also works wonders. Yogurt adds extra protein and supports healthy digestion, making amino acids more available to your muscles. This combination is gentle on the stomach, easy to digest, and perfect for seniors who may struggle with heavier meals. Even small additions like a sprinkle of black pepper can improve nutrient absorption by up to 30%, making your muscles even more efficient at using the protein from chickpeas. By combining chickpeas with these foods, seniors can rebuild leg strength, improve balance, increase walking endurance, and reduce stiffness. It's a simple, practical way to double the muscle-building impact of a humble and affordable ingredient, helping you regain energy, mobility, and confidence faster than with any single food alone. Even if you start eating chickpeas regularly, there are common mistakes that can slow down muscle recovery and prevent you from seeing real results. One of the biggest mistakes is eating all your protein in a single meal. Seniors need to spread protein throughout the day to ensure muscles get a constant supply of amino acids. A single large portion won't be as effective as smaller, consistent servings. Another mistake is cooking chickpeas with too much oil or heavy spices. While flavor is important, excess oil can slow digestion and reduce the body's ability to absorb nutrients efficiently. Keeping preparation simple and light ensures that your muscles get the protein and minerals they need without unnecessary strain on your stomach. Skipping strength-focused exercises is another common error. Walking is excellent for heart health, but it does very little to build leg, arm, or core muscles. Simple movements like chair stands, wall pushes, or step-ups are essential to stimulate the muscles and make the protein from chickpeas work effectively. Many seniors also forget to drink enough water. Chickpeas are high in fiber, and without adequate hydration, this fiber can create bloating or slow digestion. Drinking water throughout the day supports nutrient absorption and keeps your muscles and joints working properly. Finally, eating chickpeas too late at night can cause heaviness and interfere with sleep. The best results come from consuming them earlier in the day when your body can digest and use the nutrients efficiently. By avoiding these mistakes, seniors can maximize the benefits of chickpeas, rebuild leg strength faster, improve balance, increase endurance, and regain energy. Following simple guidelines ensures that every serving works in your favor, helping you regain independence, mobility, and confidence more quickly. To see real improvements in muscle strength, seniors can follow a simple 14-day plan using chickpeas as the main protein source. During the first 7 days, start with half a cup of boiled chickpeas each day, seasoned lightly with lemon and black pepper to aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Pair this with 15 minutes of walking and simple chair stand exercises, performing around 10 repetitions. This combination gently stimulates muscles while providing the building blocks they need to repair and grow stronger. For days 8 through 14, you can rotate your chickpea intake by including chickpea flour rotis or hummus in addition to boiled chickpeas. Add 1 cup of fresh spinach daily to boost magnesium, vitamin C, and nitrates, which help deliver nutrients to the muscles more efficiently. Increase walking to 20 minutes and perform 15 chair stands along with 10 step-ups, gradually increasing the challenge to your muscles. This slight progression ensures continuous muscle engagement and growth. By the end of the 2 weeks, most seniors notice tangible improvements. Legs feel stronger, walking becomes easier, and daily tasks like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair require less effort. Energy levels rise, balance improves, and stiffness decreases. This plan is designed to be gentle, practical, and effective, helping aging muscles rebuild naturally without the need for expensive supplements or complicated routines. Consistency, combined with the proper timing and preparation of chickpeas, delivers measurable results and sets the foundation for long-term strength and independence. If you are over 60, it's important to understand that your muscles are not old or beyond repair. They simply need the right fuel and consistent support to regain strength. With age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein, digestion slows, and movement decreases, but this does not mean your muscles cannot rebuild. In fact, with simple, targeted actions, you can restore strength, balance, and energy in a matter of weeks. Chickpeas provide exactly what aging muscles need: complete protein, slow-release amino acids, essential minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They are gentle on the stomach, affordable, and highly effective for seniors, delivering nutrients in a way that older muscles can actually use. While eggs are commonly thought to be the best protein source, chickpeas are specifically suited for the biology of aging muscles, offering steady energy, improved recovery, and stronger legs and arms without digestive stress. The results are tangible. Seniors who include chickpeas in their daily routine often report feeling lighter on their feet, moving with more confidence, and experiencing less stiffness and fatigue. Even small improvements in leg strength or walking endurance translate to greater independence, safety, and quality of life. Every step, every chair stand, every gentle movement becomes easier when muscles are properly nourished and supported. What matters most is consistency. Half a cup of chickpeas daily, combined with light exercises and proper timing, can begin reversing muscle loss in just 2 weeks. Pairing chickpeas with nutrient-supporting foods like spinach, lemon, or olive oil enhances the benefits even further. Simple changes in diet and routine can unlock powerful results, helping you regain strength and confidence at any age. So if you take one thing from this video, let it be this: your muscles are still capable of rebuilding, and the right food can make all the difference. Start incorporating chickpeas today. Follow the plan, stay consistent, and watch your strength return. Strong muscles don't just improve movement, they restore independence, energy, and the freedom to enjoy life fully. Take control now, feed your muscles what they need, and embrace a stronger, healthier version of yourself.